Welcome to Debit Card Profits. You are in the right place at the right time. Everything here is free, so put your wallet away. Just imagine for a couple of seconds, what if I showed you how to make $5 almost immediately, then make another $20 in about a week? Would you join for free? What if I then showed you how you could make $100 per day giving money away this very same way? Would you join for free? What if I then showed you how you can add several new money streams with each customer and increase the amount of money you make? Would you join then for free? Well, this can all become a reality if you just get yourself a free ClickBank account and then fill out the form below and submit it to us. To become an agent for Debit Card Profits, you must have a ClickBank account. This is how I know who I am to send referrals to. So you see, every time you refer someone to this page you are on, I will know that you sent them here, and I will send you their info. There is actually more reasons to join. Thousands worth of bonuses, free capture pages, squeeze pages, 100 free leads, and many more money makers to come. So click on the link and get a free ClickBank account. Then fill out the form and submit it. We'll take care of the rest.